everyone, so this week's challenge is a silhouette. There's two key components to a silhouette, a good silhouette at least. The first component is light. So what makes a silhouette is when you have a lot of backlighting coming in and not enough front lighting. So find a situation where you're either getting a super bright window or super bright sky, but not much front lighting. If you have a lot of front lighting, then you're going to get the front lit as well, right? And when I talk about backlighting, that's what I kept emphasizing, that you need enough light coming forward. But with silhouettes, you don't need light coming forward. You just need a lot of light coming in and not enough light coming forward, and that's how you end up getting a silhouette. That's the first component. The second component to a great silhouette is shape. It's all about shape. So whatever your subject is, you want to make sure that they are creating beautiful shape for you. So as opposed to like this, or if it's, right, then now I just look like a block, right? So you don't want a silhouette that doesn't tell any kind of story. So you want something, so typically I like side views. If you can get like the facial features, like those are also great. If you're having two people, then you want to make sure that both people's silhouettes are showing. Otherwise, blocks, not so good, okay? So get out there, try to create some silhouettes. It could be silhouettes of trees even, right? But you want to make sure that if you're doing like silhouettes of trees, you want to make sure that it's like a beautiful shaped trees. So basically this week is all about looking for a lighting situation that can create silhouettes and also beautiful shapes. So get out there, try it, and hashtag CT Lighting Challenge so I can take a look too.